Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Hello Kitty inspired Pusheen. So let's get started. To draw this cute Pusheen, let's first start by drawing her Hello Kitty bow. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And then I'm going to draw the loops for our bow. So we're going to come up. And come right back. And same thing over here. Now that we have the loops in, let's come back in here and draw a little detail. Let's just come in here with another curve right here. And just remember your bow is at an angle when you draw it. Then from there, I'm going to start to draw Pusheen's head. So let's come say about right here on the bow. I'm just going to give myself a tiny little curve right here. And then from there, I'm going to go up with a big ear. And so the ear is going to be about the same height as this bow, so just keep that in mind. And about right there, I'm going to bring it down. And so we're just going to imagine another ear, so it's going to pop out about right here. So if you're using a pencil, definitely draw Pusheen's head first with a curve and then two ears and then add the bow. That would be definitely much easier, but because I don't want to erase, I had to start with the bow first. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down and bring this down. Just imagine being overlapped. And then let's come right back. And so imagine this is the head part, the center. I'm going to come right down to about right here. Give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a straight line and curve out on both sides. And then right in the center, I'm going to add a curve. There. Then I'll come to the sides about right here and draw a big circle for Pusheen's eyes. And same thing on the other side. So let's say about right here. There. So then I'll come in here and just shade it all in. I'll give it a little highlight and shade it in. And same thing right here. From there, let's finish the rest of Pusheen's body. So I'm going to bring this down a little wider, all the way down. And about right there, I'll start to curve in. There, so I'm pretty much level at the same, and then about right there, right here, I'm going to pop out a curve right here for the feet. And then I'll bring this all the way across, so flatten the bottom. And about right here, I'll pop out another foot as well. And go all the way and connect. And connect that part as well. So make this a little bit straighter, so now that I see there. Okay, and then now for the tail, so let's pop that out about right here. So we'll continue this curve and go up and about right here, thicken it up and connect. And then for the stripes, let's come right here. 1, 2, and 3. And then let's just go ahead and add some details. So right here is our space for one stripe right at the top. And of course her whiskers. So right where the eyes are, I'm going to pop out 2 whiskers right here. And the other ones will be about right here and here, and let's see here, and then a stripe on her back, 2 of them. And then now for the very special detail where she's holding a donut, right? So let's say about right here in between her eyes and her mouth. I'll come about right here and just draw this hand. So I'm going to curve and loop it in for her hand. Then I'm going to go ahead right in this area. I'm going to go and draw a big circle for our donut. Big wobbly donut all the way back. And come in here for center, circle, and let's come right across for the other hand. So we're just going to draw a curve right there. And then let's add some drizzle on this donut. And of course, when you color it, you can add whatever kind of sprinkles you want in this area. And let's see. And that is pretty much it, except I'll put a heart right here on Pusheen to make her my Draw So Cute Hello Kitty inspired Pusheen. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you loved this drawing, that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.